Alright, old guys, it's been a minute, but today we're just out soaking up some nature. I cannot love that. Look at these little guys. Oh, they don't want to play. It's really cool, some of the colors that pop out here. I'll give you some close-ups. Look at this little guy. Just fell out of the tree. Hey, what's up? Will you be my friend? Well, this is my usual spot. I come down to this little pond here. It's a good little walk. Really overgrown though. That's like a thorny bush tree thing there. I'm not gonna walk all the way around it like normal. It's a little warm out, so this is a good enough walk. We come down here and then head on back. I always think of Bob Ross out here with his paintings and like, oh, this Mother Nature is just gonna put a happy little purple flower right over here. There's a little friend right there. And we're gonna put a little color here on the tips of these leaves. Just a little splash. And put a little berry bush right here. Some little berry friends. Get out and get some fresh air today. Walk, do something. It's always better to start than not.